Welcome back to the cybersecurity fundamental series. What we're going to be doing in this video is just how to better secure network connections, right? So we'll be exploring key concepts like grasping network concepts, PAN, LAN, WAN, CAN, MAN, personal area network, local area network, and so on and so forth. Campus area network connecting smart, wireless versus wired, right? Security home networks and understanding wireless protocols and different networking commands for enabling IPv6, Internet Protocol version 6, removing from domain, verifying connections, configuring work groups and domains, having an idea of grasping around network settings with commands, activating version 6, disconnecting from domains, checking active network connections, and pretty much a little bit of that and then some. So let's go ahead and get started here. All right, so to get started, what I'm going to do first is enable the IPv6 on the network interface. By default, the Windows 10 is configured with the IPv4 as the primary protocol. And we can also enable IPv6 if we need to communicate with the IPv6 network. So we're going to enable it on this video. Let's see. Let's get to the PowerShell here. All right. And then we're going to enable an adapter finding name. The TCP IP6. So there might be a slight lag time for it being enabled, but we may not, as you can see here, we didn't get a message after entering the command. However, the command has been successful, even though we don't have anything showcasing that it may have been successful, right? So removing the Windows, going to remove Windows 10 from the domain. Removing Windows computers from an Active Directory domain can be done through the graphical interface, which is the properties window of this particular computer. It can also be done through Windows PowerShell, as you can see here with the window open. So I'm just going to remove computer here. Should ask me a question. Yep. Yes. And then I got to restart in order to have the changes made. All right. I'll be back in a quick second once it's done restarting. All right, so that's, while that's rebooting, I'm in another VM here for Windows 102. And right now what I'm going to do is, so Netstat can be used to view network connections on our system and their stats, including the open ports on our system. So what I'm going to do now is use the Netstat command, and I'm going to do that in a few steps here. First, I have to open the command prompt, and then I just got to enter in what I want to see, pretty much. Let's see here. Now, in the given command, the Netstat, it will list the connections to the Windows system that you see here as far as all of this computer gibberish. Well, not gibberish, but what it's displaying. Now, the find stir command, it's going to filter the connection list only the established connections, right? So the outplay, I'm sorry, the outplay. The output, it displays here, it's only a single connection in the established state only, right? So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to list all open network connections, right? So I'll do that with this command here. So let me have this. Right, there it is. Now it's listening. Perfect, perfect. So we'll see, as we can see here, we have a long list of connections displayed. The list displays the protocol, the IP addresses they're connected to, an important number used for each connection. pretty much for all of this here. So it's a really quick video. Doesn't take much. It's just wanted to make sure that we went over a bit of understanding various network concepts, not much, and working with Windows 10 networking in particular. So now I've successfully enabled IPv6 on the network interface and also removed Windows 10 from the domain while also verifying the open network connections. So now I have further knowledge of types of networks connected to a network, home networking, and its security to an extent at least, and the types of wireless networks. And thank you for watching.